Hi there, this is Paul from Email Octopus, and today I'm going to show you two things you need to do before you can send the campaigns with Email Octopus Connect. Before we start, make sure that the region in the upper right corner of your AWS dashboard matches the SES region you chose in your Email Octopus account. Next, you'll have to create and verify a sender's identity. This will be the email address or whole domain you want to use as the sender for your campaigns. On your main Amazon SES dashboard, click on the Verified Identities and then Create Identity. You'll see two options: Domain and Email Address. We recommend Domain if you have one. It improves deliverability and allows you to use any email address on that domain. Type your domain in the field below, scroll down and click the Create Identity button. At the top of the next page, you'll see a notification asking you to verify this identity using CNAME records. You will find them at the bottom of that page. You'll have to add these records to your domain's DNS. If you're unsure how to do that, reach out to your webmaster or hosting service support. They'll be able to help. You can also verify a single email address. Amazon will send a verification email to that address with a link you'll need to click to confirm that you have access to that email. The next step is getting production access. It's permission to send emails through Amazon SES. To get production access, you'll need to apply for a service quota increase. Type quota in the AWS search bar to get there quickly. At the top, you should see the service quotas icon. Hover over it to see the top features. Click on Quota Increase Request and search for SES in AWS Services. Pick Sending Quota and click on the Request Quota Increase button. Type the maximum daily quota value you need and then click Request button. Amazon will send you an email with a reply. They should contact you in 72 hours, but usually it's much faster. And you can see the status of your requests under the Quota Request History tab. And that's it. When Amazon will grant your quota increase request, you're ready to start sending campaigns with your Email Octopus Connect account. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!